Good afternoon, students. This is Kiran sir from Vassalabai Varmani School of Scholars. So today we are going to deal English grammar for 5th standard. This is the new lesson number 8, the future, will and going to. So today we are going to deal the new lesson, the future, will and going to. Okay. So everyone have the knowledge about the will. Will is references of future tense. Okay, and generally if you have to do the work in a future, that time you people and so many people use the will. It means in a future references. Okay, got it? So generally with the will, with the will we use I think, I'm sure, I expect, perhaps, probably. These are the words also we can use with will. Okay? Now see the examples here of will. My brother will be 6 next Friday. मेरा भाई next Friday को 6 year का हो जाएगा. Okay? See the second one. I think India will win the match. मेरे ख्याल से मुझे ऐसे लगता है इंडिया विल विन द मैच. इंडिया मैच जीतेगा. फ्यूचर रेफरेंस. सी द एग्जांपल थर्ड. आई एम श्योर यू विल एंजॉय द ट्रिप. आई एम श्योर यू विल एंजॉय द ट्रिप. मुझे 100% आई एम 100% श्योर अबाउट you will enjoy the trip in a future reference. Okay, so that's why this is the will we use in a future references. Now there is another work of the will also using the promises or offer. If you want to give any promises to anyone, that time also you have to use will. If there is a giving any offer to anyone, that time also we use will. So there is a promises or offer, that time also we use will. See there, this is the example. I will carry the bag for you. This is the offer. I will carry the bag for you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये बैग पकड़ सकता हूँ. This is the offer. That time also we use will. I will lend you this book tomorrow. This is the promise. This is the sentence of promise. I will lend you. मैं तुम्हें दूंगा. You this book tomorrow. कल तुम्हें ये बुक दूंगा पक्का. This is the future reference and that's why this is the uses of will. Okay. Now we are going to deal about the going to. Going to, this is the phrase also, and this is also we use in a future reference. Okay, in a future reference also, because this is the phrase. But in this lesson, will and going to doing the same work. And actually, sir, going to deal about the differences between that also. So let's discuss about the going to. I am going to give speech in the school. I am going to give speech in the school. मैं स्कूल में होने वाले स्पीच कंपटीशन में स्पीच देने वाली हूँ या देने वाला हूँ. So that's why this is also future reference. Okay. Now, are you going to invite Purva to the party? क्या तुम पूर्वा को पार्टी में बुलाने वाले हो? So that's why this is also future references. So going to is also future reference, will also future reference. What is the difference between that? Okay, there is rise a question. What is the difference between will and going to? So friends, see the difference here. What is the difference between will and going to? We use will when we decide to do something. We use will when we decide to do something and they speak about immediately. They speak about immediately. We decide to do something. हम कुछ decide करते हैं करने का, and after that we speak about immediately. उसके बारे में बोल देते हैं. that time you have to use will. Now we use going to when we have decided to do something. Going to हम यूज करते हैं कि जो पहले से डिसाइड है, when we have decided to do something before talking about it, उसके बारे में बोलने के पहले से ही डिसाइड रहता है. This is the uses of going to. Got it? The difference between will and going to. See here, we use will when we decide to do something and they speak about immediately, जिसके बारे में हम तुरंत बोल देते हैं. We use going to when we have decided to do something, पहले से ही डिसाइड है, and before talking about it, उसके बारे में बोलने के पहले से ही वो डिसाइड रहता है. That time we have to use going to. This is the difference between will and going to. Okay, got it? So friends, here we completed this lesson also. Now see in your textbook exercise first. Write 4 sentences saying what you think will happen tomorrow or this week. कल क्या होने वाला है या इस वीक में क्या होने वाला है. We have to deal about that. Begin, I think, suppose, expect or probably. So there is a one already given example. Regarding that you have to make a sentence for that. See there, example first. I think the weather will be fine tomorrow. मेरे ख्याल से कल जो वेदर है, कल का जो वेदर है वो ठीक रहेगा, फाइन रहेगा. Regarding that you have to use I'm sure, I think, I expect, probably, perhaps. These are the words you have to use and make a sentence. Okay, another example I will give you. I'm sure holiday will be declared tomorrow. I'm sure holiday will be declared tomorrow. So this is the one example you have to put in exercise first. Like that you have to make a 2 sentences and write there. Okay, you have to do the own work. I think, I sure, I expect. So this is already one given. Already sir give one example and 2 example you have to write there. Okay, in exercise first. Now see the exercise second. Here is Mr. Patil's diary. Monday, visit the Mehtas. Tuesday, watch cricket on TV. Wednesday, see the dentist at 5 o'clock. Thursday, have dinner with Mr. Bose. Friday, send a birthday gift to Vijaya. And Saturday, see a flat in Srinagar. So this is the diary of Mr. Patil's, and with the help of this diary you have to do the following works. See there, write sentences saying what he is going to do like this. What he is going to do. He means Mr. Patil. There is one example. On Monday, Mr. Patil is going to visit the Mehtas. This is the first example already given to you. So like this you have to make a sentence there. Sir, want to give one example and after that you have to make a sentences. See, on Thursday, Mr. Patil is going to watch cricket on TV. This is the second example, and 2 example you have to make in your textbook and send to me on my personal account. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.